Today I need to get out here. I've been needing to build a picnic table for a while now. So, first thing this morning, I ran to the building supply and picked up some lumber. See if I can throw together a picnic table right quick. I'm about 2 hours late feeding the goat, so they're not very happy with it. They're used to getting their feed by 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning. So they're hungry. I've gone ahead and made some marks. Actually, I have cut my first side out. I wasn't sure. Everything that you see, all the tables just seem like they're too short. So I decided to change it a little bit. Not sure if it's going to work, but I went ahead and got my first side cut out, and I'm going to use it as a template to cut everything on the second side. Just get everything marked. This little saw has just about had it. Now I'm just going to put a couple of screws and some pre-drilled holes to hold it together. That's just to keep it from moving on me. Alright, that's got my ends held together. I can move the top one out of the way and get ready to pre-drill for the bolts. Okay, I want to show you where I made a mistake. I was using the wrong drill bit. I couldn't find a Forstner bit. I just didn't take the time. So it just wasn't working out. And it ended up being too small anyway. Well, if you don't have a center, you can't go back in with a Forstner bit. It's just going to jump all around. So I've got a 3/8 tap that has a center in the back of it. So just shove it down in there. That gives me a center for my Forstner bit. Then it just keeps you right in the center of your hole. And I can just take another and knock it out. Easy way to fix a screw up. I'll have to do it on these other three, and the rest I won't have to worry about it because I haven't drilled the holes yet. walk towards that way. There you go.
Oh my God.
You got it. Come on.
This thing is heavy.
Oh, it's not heavy. There we go. Set it down. Easy.
Oh.
There we go.
Whoa, that was heavy.
All right, guys. I don't know what happened, but anyway, we missed putting part of this top on. And that lumber that I bought this morning, I only bought it a couple of hours ago. It's sat out here in the sun a little bit. It's, you know how you buy some of this treated material and it's really, really wet? Well, it was wet and a lot of it just really curled up. So I had some 2x12s. They're treated and they've been inside for probably 2 years, so they're pretty dry. Threw the 2x12s in the center. We're going to put a couple of 2x6s on the outside and some 45 braces underneath to keep it from racking back and forth. And this little project's going to be done.
An inch apart.
Okay. Okay, let me get over here for a second. Pull on it. There we go. Mm-hmm. Mine. Okay. Okay, still on your mark up in the front? Still on your mark up here? Okay. All right, we good up here? Okay, you can let go. Okay, guys, that's it. Quick, simple little project. It only took a couple hours to do. Used some leftover lumber that we've had here for a while. Used some new stuff. Just bought a couple of bolts. All in all, cheap, inexpensive little project. Something I've needed for a while, but just haven't done. We'll probably come back and maybe run a router around the edges and just kind of radius all the edges so it's nice and smooth. But other than that, it's done. I think we're going to grab the tractor and set this thing in place, and we'll have a place to eat lunch now.